Hazrat Ali considered justice as the needs of judges should be fulfilled in such a way that they don't need any financial help. The standard of salaries of the judges should be high. To do justice during happiness and anger is the symbol of the completion of faith. La yatma'anna qalilul fiqhi fil qada. One who is less familiar with jurisprudence should not be tempted to become a judge. Fear the voice of the oppressed, because his voice steers the throne and goes through the Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Mani batala bil qada'i fala yaqdi wa huwa ghazban. One who has to face the court decision should not decide in anger. إذا تقاضى إليك رجلان فلا تقضي للأول حتى تسمع من الآخر. When two people come to you with a case, then don't decide until you listen the other. فإنك إذا فعلت ذلك يبين لك القضاء. Because in this way all the aspects of the case will become clear. According to Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 283, وَلَا تَكْتُمُوا الشَّهَادَةَ وَمَنْ يَكْتُمْهَا فَإِنَّهُ آثِمٌ قَلْبُهُ. And don't conceal the testimony, for whoever conceals it, their hearts are indeed sinful. Man salla khamsa salawatin fil yomi wal laylati ma'a jama'atin. One who offers prayers 5 times a day with jamaat. فَظَنُّوا بِهِ خَيْرًا وَأَجِيزُوا شَهَادَتَهُ. So think well of him and accept his testimony as legitimate. لَا تَجُوزُ شَهَادَةُ مَحْدُودٍ فِي الْإِسْلَامِ. The testimony of a person who has been punished under Islamic rules isn't permissible.